sis, you got that white stuff on.
Don't worry. Is this camera 3? Camera 3. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about that. That's gonna go away. One product, guys. One product. I got movement. It's a little cast on it, but you know, I'm cool with the cast. Because the cast means no frizz. What's up, y'all? I am naturally Curlysa and I am back with another video. I am going to redo a video that I did. I think it's my very first video with the Doux foaming mousse. This is going to be a one product wash and go. So I'm not going to use any leave-in, any gel, just this mousse. And I am going to start off by, my part's still here, so basically just sectioning off my hair and the back. Let's get right to it. And you let it dry. That's it. It may be a little white, and when it turns white, that's when you don't touch it. The rules are not to touch your hair, even if you want to, and let the mousse do its work. And I like to smooth it on until like my hair feels super smooth, if that makes sense. And because there's a leave-in in it, I can touch my roots just a bit, because if not, my roots are going to be frizzy. The Doux said, forget a lock method, I'm your leave-in oil and cream. But for real though, it is. This is one of my favorite products. And it's a one product wash and go, which means that I don't have to have multiple products. Like, it's worth the money. Because this is the only thing that I have to put in my hair. It's definitely worth it. And if you go on their YouTube, it works on multiple textures. This works on my daughter's hair. This is the only product that actually really brings Eris's curls out. And you can also put this in your hair before you blow dry it. And I put this in Eris's hair before I blow dried it one day. And her hair was like super smooth. Super smooth, and it wasn't as frizzy and puffy as it usually would be if I hadn't used this product. My back section all done. Fact that I'm using only one product, this saves me so much time. Like, I'm almost done with half my hair already. And a lot of times people get scared when you say mousse, because they think that mousse is drying, but this is not drying at all. It's super moisturizing. You see all that white? That will go away. I kind of go back over my roots with it because it's a leave-in. Why not? Why not go back over them? Eris is taking a bath. If y'all can hear her, I'm sorry. She's super loud. I'm trying not to touch my hair too much because they said don't touch your hair. Do you see this? Do you see the definition? Compared to that, this is no product with product.
But sis, my curls are type 4 and blah blah blah. You got some good hair and your hair is type 3.
I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear it. This product works on all hair types. Have you seen the tutorials? It works on all hair types. Look at this. I can't even get, I'm trying to get to the light. I just don't feel like y'all can see what I see. Can you see that? I'm sorry. She told me not to see in the tutorials. They say don't touch it, but I just can't help it. But do you see that? Do you see that compared to this? And it's gonna dry like this. It's not gonna get that big. Let me finish my hair, cause y'all not listening. Y'all don't understand. Y'all think this is a game. Y'all don't think this is a game. Hold on. Let's finish this. Let's finish it.
It's not gonna work on my hair. Mousse doesn't work.
Hey. Hey, sis. Hey. None of that. This will work. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell you. I just put that right there so that my hair will dry, not in my face. And I'm done.
But sis, you got that white stuff on.
Don't worry. Is this camera 3? Camera 3. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about that. That's gonna go away. It's gonna dry. I'm all done. I will come back. I'm actually gonna come back and show you what my hair looks like when it's completely dry. I love it. I love it. She tell you just don't touch it. That's the hardest part. Don't touch it. She say don't touch it. She created it. The people that created the Doux. This is called the Doux. The Doux. And they have so many other products too. They have a balm, shampoo and conditioner. I have used a shampoo and conditioner before. Shampoo is very moisturizing. Black owned. What you waiting for? I'm gonna come back when this dries. Just want y'all to see that definition. Here. I don't have a mic. Drops mic. All right, for real. I'm gonna let y'all see my hair when it dries. All right, so my hair is 85% dry. I told y'all I would come back and let y'all see what my hair looking like, and I don't know what to tell y'all. I tried to tell y'all. Yes, this is 80% dry. 85. I just said 85, so we're gonna go with 85. But this is 85% dry. And it's still shiny. It still looks good. It's not as puffed up as my hair would usually be with other products. And this is one product, guys. One product. I got movement. It's a little cast on it, but you know, I'm cool with the cast. Because the cast means no frizz. So, if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at naturally_Curlysa. I said it right this time. I didn't mess up. I have a lot of content and tutorials that I put on my Instagram too. So, that's it. Y'all should go buy this product for real. It really works. It really works. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.